Now, Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
Well, over the weekend, we had a high temperature of 70 degrees on Saturday at Bradley International Airport. Despite a mild end to the month, it averaged out cooler than normal. Here are the numbers for Bradley International Airport, the greater Hartford area. An average temperature of 36.7 degrees. That's 1.1 degrees below normal. Precipitation, 3.07 inches. That's more than a half an inch below normal. That includes rain and the water equivalent of snow and ice. And speaking of snow, look at that, 10.3 inches of snow at Windsor Locks, nearly 4 inches above normal. Of course, most of that snow fell on the 3rd and 4th with that big storm that we had. But look at today's highs. This is April 1st, and the normal high is 54. Not even close. The best we could do today was the low and middle 40s. Right now, early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the state dry. And what a beautiful sky in Torrington. We got the crystal clear sky because the air is so dry, but with the dry air, the cool air, and the gusty wind, the fire danger is relatively high out there, so you got to be very careful. There's our iCam into London, where we still have a gusty wind, but a bright sunny sky, and the sun is going down at 7:16 this evening. We're in the 30s already in the Litchfield Hills, 43 in Windsor Locks, 47 degrees in New London, or New Haven, I should say, right at their high for the day. And we still have that brisk wind that's averaging 21 miles an hour in Windsor Locks and also in Groton, and that is causing wind chills in the 30s across much of the state. So if you're going to take the dog for a walk this evening, you're going to have to bundle up like it's early March or even late February. All right, looking at the big picture, we got high pressure moving in tonight over us. That's going to allow the wind to shut down, but it's also going to allow for a chilly night. More on that in just a moment. But what we're watching is this area of moisture off the southeast coast. That's going to gel into a coastal storm, and we're going to be on the western fringe of it come late tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. So Futurecast shows clear skies tonight and tomorrow morning. We'll have increasing cloudiness going into tomorrow evening, and then later tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Look at that. Heavy rain over Cape Cod. Over in Connecticut, we're on the western fringe of the storm with rain and some snow, especially in the higher elevations. It's fast moving, so it's gone by midday, and it turns out to be a nice afternoon. But what about snowfall? Now, this could change, but this is a preliminary forecast, anywhere from little or nothing in the valleys, but the hills in eastern, northern, and northwestern Connecticut could pick up a coating to 1 inch or 2, maybe 3. It could be less snow than this if the storm takes a more easterly track. These amounts could go up if the storm takes a more westerly track. But right now, it looks like the hill towns could get a couple of inches of snow out of this. All right, lows tonight, 18 to 26. The record low for the greater Hartford area is 18, and your highs for tomorrow in the upper 40s and low 50s. So a cool day. Then Wednesday, we start out with rain and snow. It turns out to be sunny, a high of 58. Thursday, mostly sunny and 54. Now Friday, could have a wintry mix in the morning, changing to rain in the afternoon, a high of 44. Then look at the weekend. The first weekend of April, temperatures will rise into the 60s before the weekend is over. For the shoreline tomorrow, a high of 48.